to link your system from Xero to ATO. Start by navigating to the Setup menu and logging into your accounting software. From the menu, select the Payroll option and then click on Pay Employees. At the top right of the screen, locate the Setup Single Touch Payroll link and click on it. A window will appear. Click on Get Started and then opt into the Single Touch Payroll. You will be presented with an overview of the setup process, after which you need to click on Opt to proceed. Review your organization's details, which will be automatically populated, including company name and ABN, and verify the accuracy of the information. Once confirmed, click Continue and then Register. You will be directed to a connection screen that provides instructions for linking your system to ATO. Contact ATO and provide them with your software ID, and they will guide you through the registration process. After registering, your system will be linked to ATO, enabling you to file the required reports. To do so, go to the payment history, click on the latest payment marked as Not Filed, and then click on the File option. A window will appear. Click on File Now. The status of the last payment will change to Pending as ATO processes the data, and once approved, it will update to Filed. By following these steps, you can successfully set up and file your single-touch payroll reports, ensuring compliance with the requirements.